Good morning. It's a very beautiful, sunny August day, very early in the morning. Today we're going to be going to the least used GO train station, St. Catharines.
Got breakfast. Train's leaving at 9:03, so it's like 8:30 now. Yeah.
Please fasten your doors and not closing on lock number 5.
So the train's super busy. Probably this is the only one that's the first one out. It's the only one you can get to Niagara Falls at a decent time if you're just going for the day. I'm in the bike carriage because it's like the least busy part of the train. The train stops at Exhibition, Port Credit, Oakville, Burlington, Aldershot, and St. Catharines before finally terminating at Niagara Falls. Bunch of people got off. Can't tell if anybody's getting on. But yeah, a ton of people getting off. So first impressions of the station. It's a cool station. It's falling apart in some places. There's a cool mural over there I might go check out. There's this cool mural on one end of the platform. I don't think any of this part of the building is used at all. I think it's just the via part down there. So down this end of the station, I think it's a lot nicer. You got the main station building, which we'll check out later. You got the cannabis border crossing sign, because the station does get international trains. And then over this way, you got the GO Transit amenities, like ticket machines, reload machines for Presto and Presto tap points, and bike shelter, and the Via sign over there. But it's kind of a cool station. Oh, and next train displays there. And of course, you do have a parking lot down this way. Check out the inside now. Kind of cool. Got Via next train departure screens there, a bunch of Via signs on here. And GO Transit, no info, and bathrooms there, as well as there's like a phone book over there, but with no pay phones, which is kind of weird. Let's check out the bathroom. It is a bathroom. It's just like the one kind of stall. It's the woman's one over there. But you have signage from both Via and Metrolink, which is kind of cool. 2 Via signs. And yeah, it's kind of just a bathroom. I didn't expect this station to have a bathroom, honestly, I guess. So I'm gonna do a bit of history in the waiting room. So in 2019, this station got about 5,300 passengers, and that equates to about 14.5 per day. This is actually the 3rd station built on the site. The first one was built by the Great Western Railway in 1853. Then the station was rebuilt by the Grand Trunk Railway in 1898. And then again in 1917. In 1923, the Grand Trunk Railway was taken over by CN. And in 1986, Via took over passenger services on the line. This station gets 4 trains per day in each direction. The Amtrak Maple Leaf stops here, which is operated by Via in Canada, and then Go Transit stops 3 trains per direction every day here. Via used to run commuter service on this line to Toronto until 2012. That was also when this station became unstaffed. On the Wikipedia page, it says that there was a Via ticket vending machine, but I guess they took that out since then, and now you have to either book online or call to get a ticket. There is a water fountain in the station, however, filter status is red, so I'm kind of hesitant to try it. I'm sure it's fine, but you know what, whatever. Hold on. We'll give this a try. It's alright. I assume the ticket office was this part of the station where the wall was like a divot kind of thing, and that door would lead to it. Now it's just replaced with you need a passport to go to the US. Also, Via, you're not an airline, stop doing this. Just outside of the station, there's like a beautiful little park and a neighborhood as well. Great Western Street. It's the name of the original railway that came through here. And yeah, really nice area. Also, they seem to have locked the doors to the building remotely, so I guess this now counts as playing the game of seeing if the Go Transit station doors are locked. Also, there's these weird yellow things that might have held like an information screen or something that are just like here. As the train approaches, that means this video is coming to an end. That was St. Catharines, the least used GO train station. 15 people per day. But yeah. Bye.